That's bad.
Hi, talk to me. Yes.
Approaching on Victor Navarro. This is an assault of a family member. His mom is here, who is the complaining witness as well. There's a protective order. I am requesting that the court lift the protective order. She is the only person to take care of him. I spoke with her this morning.
Spoke about a couple days ago.
No, this is new.
A family turns into a crime scene and the courtroom feels it. Mental health, violence, and hard truths collide in front of the judge. This isn't just justice. It's a breaking point.
This is new. This one is new for me.
It's on docket.
It is on docket today.
Is he in jail?
He is in custody. So I'm asking for two things today. One, a PR bond. He does not have any other violent criminal history. Also, no other cases pending. I'm not sure.
Let's read this. Shh, everybody keep it down, please. Hey,
Yes, Mom.
Alex, I'm going to read this. You ready? This is on Navarro. Okay, let me read this to you. This is why the magistrate did not give him a law, because I don't know.
Right, okay.
No adult criminal history, Harris County. No charges since 1999. This case, defendant is complaining witness's son. Complaining witness reports defendant got angry when he was asked to help move a shelf. Then later in the day, pushed complaining witness down to the floor and began punching her repeatedly, causing pain and scratches to her face. Defendant has been diagnosed with mental health issues. Complaining witness wants to press charges because he needs to learn his lesson and could possibly kill her one day if she does not take action. Her AFC defendant is not employed. Spanish speaker on AFC, English in court. Defendant declined PDO and appointment of counsel, but per PDO, he is 1622 consented to prior to docket allowed PDO to represent a PC. I need to talk to him. So, yeah. Yeah, let's bring him out.
Okay.
And we'll talk. All right, come on. Bless, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, come on.
Yes.
You are Alberto Lopez.
Yes.
Mr. Lopez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked up, I'm sorry, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Is it being reduced to a first? It looks like it's being reduced to a first. What you must understand that this is still two. So if you ever pick up another DWI, you will be facing a felony charge of a third-degree felony, a minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. If I were you, I would never get into a car and drive if you have even had a sip of alcohol because you were playing, you're taking a humongous risk. Do you understand?
Yes.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, there is no changing this. It will go on your record. It'll be there forever. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty and we'll send it you to the agreement. I'm going to suspend your ability to drive for 1 year. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir.
Hey, Judge, and Your Honor, I was appointed to this case, and I don't believe my client's financial status has changed since he's been in custody. Could we ask the court to waive the DPS scheme? Thank you, Judge.
I'm gonna- Good morning, Mr. Navarro. Do you speak English, sir? If you're going to play games, it's just not going to go well, man. You know, really.
Respectful, please.
Your lawyer's asking me to give you a PR bond, but if I know now that you're going to give me issues, I'm just not going to do it, you know? My sole The only thing I want to do is protect the public. Do you understand? So your lawyer is asking me to, give you a PR bond, but what I need to know is if we let you out, is there going to be a problem with mom?
Judge, I'm also going to do jail release instructions. So if we could do a jail release order so that he can go to the Harris Center. Mom is right here. Miss Francisca? The main concern, Judge, he needs to get on his medication. So I spoke with mom. If we can do a PR bond, I can do a jail release order for him to go to the Harris Center.
Blas is still here. Do you speak English, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. Are you okay if he goes back to your house?
I want the teachers willing to get him like evaluated. That's what I want, you know.
So what,
Really, I wish I could just find a place where they could put him at least a month to make sure he is on the medications and stuff like that.
well, I can make it a condition of his bond that he's supposed to take his medication. And if he doesn't, then,
That's what makes him start acting out because I can't force it anything.
well, I am now making it a condition of your bond that, Mr. Navarro, if you want to be out on a PR bond, you have to take your medication. If you don't, then no more PR bond. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much.
He's not he doesn't know how to talk to people and, you know, his mind is like sometimes not there, you know what I mean? He understands certain things, but I just have a problem with him. You know, he takes it out on me, not no one else, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to get him spraying on him because he's gonna be on the street homeless, you know, and I can't let my son live in the street.
I got it. I understand. And I'm okay with it. Mr. Navarro, do you want me to let you out?
Let me out, my home house, yeah, whatever.
You have to understand, though, I want you to take the medication. Do you understand? If you do not, mom is going to call us, let us know, and then you're going to be right back here with us. So I want you to understand the only thing I'm asking you to do is take your medicine and be nice to mom. It's not hard. When you take the medication, good things happen. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
You promise? I'm serious.
Okay, yeah.
So mom, I'm going to give you, or you were going to give her your phone number. So if you have any problems, call her, let her know. She'll talk to me and we'll take care of business for you.
Tell him that if the cops show up, he's not gonna get out, he's gonna stay here.
Come on, yeah.
Now, you say that, Junior, because we're here in front of the judge.
Okay.
But you gotta take life serious, Junior.
Mm-hmm.
That hurts me to see you like this.
We don't want to keep you.
Okay, that sounds good to me, yeah, but still, okay.
Next time you're getting out,
Okay, yeah, I know.
you better.
Okay, Mr. Navarro, make me proud, huh? Just keep taking the medication. Good things happen, all right? Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
yes, I'll grant it for you.
This wasn't just about crime, it was about control, choices, and consequences. Help was offered, but responsibility was demanded. In the end, the law can guide you, but it won't carry you.